Dogs are barking. You guys barking too? Something good. You scared me. Oh, you scared all the viewers. How'd it go today, boys?
It went terrible.
I see you got a new truck.
Yeah, I did.
All right. Well, I got back before you guys actually left, so.
Well, they probably don't want to talk to you about that pin.
Put in a big chomper. Did you just put in a big chomper?
Broke the cart.
Broke what cart?
This 4-wheel roller cart.
Oh, that little one? That wasn't made for that much weight anyways. The one we borrowed? And the guy died? Oh. So we never had to give her back? Did anybody get hurt? What are we doing anyways on it? I can't remember.
Good bearing. Center pins, bushings.
Holy what? That never happens to these things. This is the newer one, right?
Yeah.
14? 15? 7 years old in the center, and it's never been out of the. Oh yeah, this one goes in the woods once in a while.
Never been greased.
Never been greased, yeah, probably not. Once a month.
Bark.
What else is new, boys? You look tired, like you had a long day. I had a long day too. Should I just be quiet and shut this thing off? Nobody wants to talk because it's been a long day. They're waiting for the dinner bell so they can go home. You going bear hunting this year?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna shoot a big one like last year? Little one? Cub? Cub cadet?
12 years before I can shoot another one.
Oh, that's right. You got one, and now you gotta wait.
Find a bolt for that pin.
All right. Well, that's it. That's the shop tour today. Boys are pretty tired out. I can tell. It's like me. I bounced off more stones than there are, and there's a lot of stones out there. Are you going for that Captain Morgan look or what?
I don't think so.
Porn stash? Okay.
Trying to get my job back.
See you later.